Okay, we got a surprise care package from Eustaquio Amature 3D Printing, and there's a reason that it got sent uh, express, and I'm going to reveal that later. I'm going, well, I'll reveal part of it now. I'm going to be taking this on a road trip and going to be showing it off. So, I can't reveal anything more about it because I don't want to get people's hopes up about it. But I snuck a peek at this earlier, and I am just totally blown away. Okay, so let me get this put in the camera mount here. Okay, this box said open first. I was going to make you guys wait at the staircases and show you the furniture, but this is amazing. Photos and videos do not do this justice. Okay, there's one. There's aft railing. And this is the aft staircase. Let me turn one of these lights off. Let's see if I can pull it out of the bag without breaking it. Amazing. Totally amazing. So, let's see if I can get this back in the bag without breaking it. This is just amazing. Guys, photos do not do this justice. I have a 48 megapixel camera. The camera that you're viewing on now, the video doesn't come in that high a resolution. I think it's 21 or something. But the yeah, I think the video is 21 megapixel. But the still photos that I do are 48. And of course, Facebook doesn't do me any favors by reducing them. So here's the forward staircase. I'm not going to risk taking it out of the bag. Well, what the hell. I have a lifetime warranty on these. Giggle. Forward staircase. Now, I just noticed something. If you guys get these, let them air dry for a few days. This is still a little sticky. Amazing detail. Well, got to be careful of the pillar. It just popped off. When you're taking this stuff in and out of the bag, guys, you got to be careful. That the little center pillar right there just popped off. And Eustaquio, if you're watching, it was one of the forward staircases. So, for this reason only, just because of accidental oops, there should be, and don't quote me on this, there should be 4 of each. You've got forward staircase and Eustaquio. Let's start putting them in one bag each, not dual bags. That way we don't risk breaking it. Aft staircase. I've got 1, 2, 3. Forward staircase. I've got 1, 2, 3. This is what I've unpacked so far. So I have not gone through the rest of the box yet. Let's see what else is in my goodie box. Ooh. How's this? Templates. And this is the clock. Cherubs. And then the double cherubs. Aft staircase clock. Okay, that's it. So, Eustaquio, I'm pretty sure we talked about getting everybody 4 staircases instead of just 3. So let's please do that because you saw my oops. Now, a modeler could probably put a pin in there and be just fine with it. I don't know if that little pin popped off or not, but if that was supposed to be there. But guys, I have one of the first staircase kits out, and it is absolutely fantabulous, phantasmagorical. So let's move on to the next box after we put all this stuff away. I already know what's in the other box. I am just totally blown away. And here is, this is a list of what is on the staircases, and I will be scanning this and posting it up later. Absolutely fantabulous. Guys, this is a lot of stuff This is a lot of stuff, a lot of hyper detailing for 95 bucks plus shipping. And they rushed this box to me, which was like $46. Normally it'd be like $23 for priority mail, but they rushed this box to me. If you're on the fence about getting the furniture and the staircases, give the staircases another look. Yeah, it's going to be down in the model, but you know it's there. And you can always take the grand staircase domes off and let somebody look inside and put it back down. We're already working, there's already modelers working on that. So you are not going to believe what's in this box. I took a sneak peek in this as well, and I am just, I've seen everybody else's photos on furniture, and I thought, yeah, okay, looks good. But this looks phantasmagorical. That's my term, you can't use it. Phantasmagorical. I stole it off Looney Tunes. Okay. This is the whole furniture kit. This should be the whole furniture kit. You guys are not going to believe the detail on this. You are not going to believe it. Okay, we got table A, heater, fireplace, and buffet table. And yes, the tables are upside down. We have 1/200 scale table type B, the round tables, and yes, they are upside down. You can cut them off. And another Looney Tunes quote. We got some pianos. Can you play the piano, Doc? The piano? Yeah, pianos, upright pianos. Here, I'll take this out of the bag. This is going to be good. Upright piano. And I already see we lost a leg here. Let's make sure we include extra pianos, Eustaquio and Jen. Gym equipment. Let's see if I can get this out of the bag. The resin is stuck on the bag. There we go. Really nice detail, guys. And again, reminder, these are a little sticky still, so make sure you let them air dry. I wouldn't recommend doing anything with them right away when you get them, because it probably wouldn't hold paint. And then we have chairs Type D. And yes, they are upside down. And let's see, chair Type C64. F pillars. B or D looks like more pillars or columns. And this is A. I'll have to look at the instruction sheet to see what that was. And then we got C, probably some more columns. And we got B, more columns. E86 or ER6, one of the two. Grand piano. Here we go. Hey, we're not even down, we're only down the first layer, so wow, look at this. Look at this, second layer. 1/200 scale chair Type E396, 2 of 2. There's 2 bags of this. That's bag that's bag 2. Let's see, what number was that? 396. Here is bag number 1. You want to hyper detail your Titanic kit. This is the way to do it. 1/200 scale chair Type D116. Uh, 1/200 scale chair Type A44. One 200 scale chair Type B40. I wonder if they're related to UB40. Probably not. That's an 80s music joke, guys. Okay, 1/200 scale chair Type C64. God, I can't believe that's the last layer. Christmas is over. No, not really. There is cheat sheets down here. Several sheets, actually, if you buy the full kit. And I think this whole full kit is 115. Everything is here. we will be getting this on the group today. Amateur 3D printing. I did post a link on the group page the other day. This is Eustaquio Mercado stuff. His friends call him Izzy. But, God, Jen, Eustaquio, thank you so much. And this is a lot. I'm going to be doing high-res photos the rest of the day, I can see. So, we're going to put this all back in the box for now, because we have critters who like to carry things off. Super, 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 super hyper detailing. You guys, you just can't. You can't get any better than this. You really can't. Anybody have any questions? Oh, I forgot to enable my screen here. Jen or Eustaquio, one of you two is watching. I know, I can see that. Howdy, howdy. Thank you so much. Totally blown away on this. This looks super, super good. Anybody have any questions? Okay, I'm going to call it.